Hello, Radost here. First of all, thank you so much for watching. Today's painting I want to show you is actually a birthday card. I wanted to surprise a friend with something handmade and unique. The idea actually came from the present I chose for her, which was an adorable bee necklace. So, when I got home, I went straight to my art studio to make a quick sketch of it. Here's the time to mention that I looked in Pinterest for ideas. That's probably the place I get all my inspo of everything these days. It turned out to be not so quick sketch. To be honest, I spent a lot of time sketching just to clear the concept in my head. Some of my friends who have seen my videos asked me why you always start with the painting, why you don't show the process of pencil sketching. And I don't have a simple answer to that. Long story short, I am new at this. I mean, being in front of camera while drawing something. I know it may sound weird, but I'd like to be alone when I'm actually drawing. I move a lot during the process. I even hold the pencil differently. And I don't want to worry about all of this. I want to stay concentrated because for me the sketch is really important. At the beginning, I had no idea about the colors I wanted to use for the flowers. The only thing I knew was that I wanted them to be in various shapes and combination of warm and cool tones. As it's bee related, the tones of the yellow supposed to be fundamental. The ones that I used are yellow ochre and lemon yellow. The rest of the colors you can find in the description down below. And while scrolling down, you may subscribe if you haven't already to see more of me and my art in my next video. Oh, I forgot to mention the new members of the family of brushes. Just a small set of 4 brushes I found at Hobbycraft. More information in the description. And the one that I use from this set is number 2 round brush. I hope you enjoyed the video and got inspired to make your own birthday cards to surprise family and friends. As always, thank you so much for watching. Till the next time, bye!